Hello and welcome to lecture 16 of factorization. Today we will do division of a monomial by monomial. Division of a monomial by a monomial. Okay, means one term is divided by other term. Now see, for this there are two things which we should remember. They are, first is we will write the dividend monomial in the numerator and the divisor monomial in the denominator. Okay, what is the meaning of this? This is, suppose, let us take an example, 6x cube divided by 2x. Here 6x is the dividend and it is divided by a divisor 2x. So we will write 6x cube upon 2x. Okay, this what the statement tells us. Now second thing is that we will reduce the coefficients. Okay, coefficients means the number which is there with the variables by factorization. Okay, and will use the laws of indices for the variables. The meaning of this is there are two laws of indices right now you should know. First is, if a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is there, then we have to add the indices. And secondly, if a raised to m divided by a raised to n is there, then we have to subtract the indices. These two laws we will work on. Now, let us take the same example, 6x cube upon 2x. Here I shall say that 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Okay, now 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, because here power of x is 1. So as x raised to 3 upon x is there, so I have to subtract the indice, that is the power. So this is nothing but 3 into x square is the answer. Got it? Now let us do some examples and understand it. Example number 1, that is 24x raised to 12 divided by 3x raised to 4. Let us write it in the form of numerator and denominator. It will be more easier. Okay, let me separate the coefficients and the variables to make it very clear now. Now, what will I do? In the table of 3, I have got 24. Correct? That is 3 ones are and 8s are. So 3 ones are and this is 3 8s are. So here it is 8 and this is nothing but x raised to 12 minus 4, because x raised to 4 is in division. So we will get 8 into x raised to 8. This is the answer. Okay. Let me take second example, that is minus 30 x raised to 6 y raised to 8 z raised to 4 divided by 5x raised to 4 y square z. Okay, we will write in the form of numerator and denominator first. So this is upon 5x raised to 4 y square z. Now let us separate the coefficients. So multiply by x raised to 6 upon x raised to 4, multiply by y raised to 8 upon y square, multiply by z raised to 4 upon z. Why I am writing it like this? To make it more easier and there will be no silly mistake from us. Okay, now in the table of 5, 30 is 5 6 are. So 5 ones are and 5 6 are. So this will be minus 6. Multiply by x raised to 6 minus 4, multiply by y raised to 8 minus 2, multiply by z raised to 4 minus 1. This is nothing but minus 6 into x square into y raised to 6 into z cube. So the answer is minus 6x square y raised to 6 z raised to 3. This way we have to do like divide a monomial by a monomial. Got it? Suppose a sum is given to us that, let us take one more example, that is 12 a raised to 6 b square divided by 6a cube b. Now first we will write it as in the form of numerator and denominator. Now let us separate the coefficients and the variables also. Multiply by b square upon b. This is nothing but 6 ones are and 6 twos are. So here variable we have already reduced it by factorization, or you can say by cancellation also. And this is nothing but a raised to 6 minus 3 multiply by b square minus 1. This is 2 into a raised to 3 into b raised to 1, which is equal to 2a cube b. Okay. Now see, the same sum I can do in the factorization form. It will be so long. We have to write the factors of 12. Or you can do it like this also. See, the factors of 12, 6 into 2 upon 6 into, now this is a raised to 6, so you have to do a 6 times. Is this worth it? And this is 3 times. Then b 2 times, and this is 1 time. 3 times a will go like this. You will get a cube. 1b gone, so 1b left. 1 6 gone, so 1 2 left. Why you want to do this mess? Right? This is the easiest way. Okay. So this was a division of a monomial by a monomial. Now let us take one more example, and then in the next lecture we will be doing division of a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, let us take one more example, that is 20 a raised to 4 b raised to 10 c raised to 6 divided by minus 4a square b square c square. So we will write it in the form of the numerator and the denominator like this, minus 4 a square b square c square. So this sign I can write it here, this minus sign I can write it here. Okay. Now we will separate the coefficients and the variables like this. A raised to 4 upon a square multiply by b raised to 10 upon b square multiply by c raised to 6 upon c square. This is nothing but 4 ones are and 4 fives are. So this is minus 5 into a raised to 4 minus 2 into b raised to 10 minus 2 into c raised to 6 minus 2. This is nothing but minus 5 into a square into b raised to 8 into c raised to 4. Here you can say because of the law of indices. Okay, this you can write the reason. So our answer is minus 5a square b raised to 8 c raised to 4. So this way we do a monomial by monomial. Okay, now I end my lecture over here. We'll meet in the next lecture with division of a polynomial by a monomial. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.